Dexter. Good afternoon, today we are celebrating the last day of February and the last day of Black History Month. And we are celebrating the last day of Black History Month by honoring 4 special African American citizens who have shown us excellence, love, and honor and teamwork. And these special people are Oprah Winfrey, Michelle Obama, Dr. Martin Luther King, and Chris Paul. Please show your ready position as you listen to scholars tell you about these special people. Oprah Winfrey built a school for girls like you and me. Excellence is her everyday rule, whether with students, adults, or on TV.
Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. said, I had a dream that my 4 little children would one day live in a nation where they would not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Chris Paul, basketball player, he was tough, he was too small to play. So he worked hard to become the best teammate, and now he is having his day.
BT on one, stand up one.
Thank you for showing us while these scholars say their part.
We are trying to remind you to read more books about these special people. Remember, tomorrow is Saturday school, and in Saturday school we will be reading more about these special people. Thank you for your support. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much, KBC family.